We certainly want to see banks succeed in this new world order. We certainly want to see banks succeed in this new world order.
We're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. And in the times that we're in right now, we definitely need to know how the world works. Also, much love to those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's time to re-educate. And then also those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And we are having a pullback, but we know why, and I'm going to get into that later. But we do have Valkyrie's Bitcoin Futures ETF launches today. And as you can see, guys, we are having a pullback. We know that we have Ethereum options every Friday. So that's the reason why we have that pullback. And then the stock market closes. And then we know we are the only game in town. Now we have only 17% of addresses own up to 80% of all Ethereum NFTs since April. And guys, I don't know what you call it, but I know what I call it: money laundering. Now guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have volume, we have Tether, we have USDC. And then also, guys, we have the Fed, which we're going to be running into. The next 2 weeks are going to be so important because not only do we have the Fed speaking on November 2nd and 3rd and how they're going to taper, and then also we're going to run into CME next week. Plus, we have Grayscale, guys. Do not forget to pay attention to Grayscale. We know they make large purchases, but going into CME, they normally sell off, guys. So make sure you're paying attention to the actual whale that helps swing this market. And then, guys, next week is definitely going to be a roller coaster ride. Now, getting over into a little crypto news, we have Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse says the SEC helped Ethereum to overtake XRP as number 2. But guys, we know this is nothing but a movie. The Hegelian dialectic. We know Ethereum has helped building this whole new banking system, DeFi. Remember Brian Brooks, DeFi is a new banking, and we're seeing all that come true. But then we also know XRP is going to help these big banks move this money. We know XLM and XRP has definitely been working with the central banks. XRP probably will be more used for these big banks, these big central banks, to move money around the world privately. The whole point of XRP and XLM is to actually cut costs. That's the reason why my price stays consistent. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you. Now we have Coinstar is installing 200 Bitcoin ATMs inside of Walmart across the country. And guys, we know the New World Order works off what? That's right, image. If people see it, it goes inside the subconscious mind. Now we have PayPal gets its largest Bitcoin volume since May Bitcoin price crash. Also, we have pension fund for Texas firefighters reportedly allocates $25 million of Bitcoin and Ethereum. And they use NYDIG, so I'm definitely going to keep a close eye on that. Now we have the Associated Press plans to launch Chainlink node to publish data. And guys, remember, everything is going to be tokenized and put on blockchain. Now we have the NFT company Candy Digital, valued at $1.5 billion, following a $100 million Series A. And lastly, guys, we have Blockstream raises $16 million for its Bitcoin mining security token offering in a matter of hours. And we know Blockstream is what? That's right, Bitcoin Lightning. Bitcoin Lightning has been working behind the scenes. And we know that all the issues with Bitcoin, Bitcoin Lightning fixes. We know Blockstream is working with the satellites. Skynet is being built while the masses are asleep. Because we know when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Plus the 3 kids books, It's Time to Re-Educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, and not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel, Cryptoteacher stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. Where everybody's sitting at home, get that own stocks is Seaward, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.